Step into the spotlight, young entrepreneurs. Don't miss your chance to catapult your startup into the stratosphere with the Youth Startup Academy Uganda. Our academy provides a launchpad for success with access to local and global experts, state-of-the-art facilities like makerspace, mobile app testing, computer labs, and collaborative workspaces. We even open the doors to regional and global networking events and provide direct links to investors ready to back your big ideas. Whether you're at the ideation stage, looking for perfect product market fit, or ready to expand your growth, we've got you covered. What's holding you back? Apply now for our third cohort at ysa.hivecollab.org, or for more details, reach out to us at YSAU@hivecollab.com or call us at 0392 177 978. Start your entrepreneurial journey with us today.